Defiance upon a time, in a dense and colorful jungle, there were two boys named Timmy and Andy. They were best friends and loved to explore the wonders of natural text. The following sunny morning, while they were wandering deep into the jungle, they stumbled upon something extraordinary. T-text. It was a baby lion cub, all alone and scared. Timmy and Andy knew they had to help. They gave the lion cub some food and decided to take care of it. From that day on, Timmy, Andy, and their new lion friend, Leo, became inseparable. They had incredible adventures together, but the jungle was not always a safe place. They faced challenges, like crossing a crocodile-infested river. With teamwork and bravery, they managed to cross the river safely. Through their adventures, Timmy, Andy, and Leo discovered the incredible beauty of the jungle and the importance of protecting it. And so, kids, the story of Timmy, Andy, and Leo the lion reminds us that friendship, courage, and a love for nature can make every day an adventure. Thank you for joining us on this 3D journey in the jungle. Stay curious, stay kind, and remember to cherish the wonders of our beautiful world.